Hello everyone, welcome to Full of Jeevan. DIY fabric painting. Subscribe to Full of Jeevan and press the bell icon to never miss a notification. I am taking white cotton bag. This cotton bag came when I ordered food. I am going to wash this bag thoroughly in water. Allow the bag to dry. Once dried, I am going to iron the bag. Once the bag is nicely ironed, I am going to place newspaper in between the bag. I'm going to take a round stencil and choose a circle. This circle I'm going to place all over the bag and paint. I'm going to use different acrylic colors like mustard yellow, orange, blue, green. I'm taking orange color and I'm going to apply it using stencil. Apply 2 to 3 coats of the color. Make sure that you use less water and more of the fabric paint. We have placed newspaper in between. This makes sure that being a thin cotton bag, the color doesn't apply to the other side of the bag. And whenever we remove the paper after the paint is dried, you will see that some part of the paint is actually stick to the newspaper, but it comes off very easily. On the other side of the bag, I have painted some flowers. It is up to you. You can even do the same polka dots painting or another painting of your choice. And here is our bag ready to use. Very beautiful.